Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Best Chill Collection. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So as you can see that today I'm here for telling you that today I'm here for bringing such a new fashion idea for you, and you can see such type of such types of your pants are here for you, and I hope that you like this video as well. So please keep subscribing my channel. As usual, you are subscribing my channels and you are supporting me, guys, so take care of yourself and your family also. So guys, as you can see that it's a very new video for ladies and for women as well, so please subscribe my channel, okay, and take care of yourself and your family as well. And guys, in my video you can see such types of different types of pens, and you can see there are different types of collections as well. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my videos, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. I hope that you're interested in my video as well. So if you want to see more about these type of fashion ideas, so subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my videos as well. And please guys, keep subscribing, as I've told you before in my previous videos, that if you want to see any other type of fashion video, so you can just tell me that you want to see this or that, so inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you as well. And guys, if you want to see any type of fashion video, like any type of fashion jewelry accessories, so you can just tell me that you want to see this or that, so inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you as well. So please keep subscribing it and keep sharing my old videos on my channel as well, and take care of yourself and your family also. I hope to see you soon inshallah with my next video as well, and keep subscribing, as I've told you before in my previous video. And guys, take care of yourself and your family also. And guys, as I've told you that you can purchase them from anywhere, whether you're in a market or in depth of shop, so you can purchase and cheap prices as well, but it's up to you that how could you purchase and how could you wear. So I'm just advising you. I'm not saying that you have to just do this or that. I'm just saying that you are much able to get that you are interested in my videos as well. So please keep subscribing my channel. As usual, you are subscribing my channel, guys, and take care of yourself and your family also. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and hope to see you soon inshallah with my next video. And keep subscribing, as usual you are supporting me, guys, and you can purchase them from anywhere. If you want to know the exact location, so you can just tell me that you want to see this or that, so inshallah next time I'll tell you that how could you purchase and where is the exact location that you could purchase. Okay, take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon inshallah with my next video. Allah Hafiz, guys. Bye bye, see you soon. Bye bye.